Unity is strange. In every case, performing a process alone and performing this process with combination can get different results. We all must accept that there can be some difference between the ability of one and the ability of a group, with peace, collaboration, and teamwork. Becoming an independent republic, named the Union of Burma, is one of the examples in pointing out the strength of unity. Bojang-san, who is the father of independence, could not take independence alone from British rule. Not only Bojang-san, but also the whole country included in this revolution. They could work together for Myanmar country and be a strong unity with cooperation and collaboration. We can get independent due to a thing called unity. For the reason, the result can be rather different between performing a project alone and unity. Unity is indeed a slow or stretch, as are one of the primary reasons why unity is considered as a slow or stretch, and has an available supreme or unselfish unity. The ants, despite their small size, it harboured remarkable unity and collaboration within their colonies. Moreover, ants demonstrate a strong sense of teamwork and mutual support. Whatever they face challenges, such as moving large food items or defending against other animals, they use their combined strength to achieve their goals. Unity can destroy every difficulty in the world. Unity can offer many benefits and plays in achieving common goals. Unity stands as a fundamental principle for creating a pleasant atmosphere, becoming a developed and peaceful country, and becoming a beautiful society.